You need one chocolate cake mix. You can choose any kind of chocolate cake mix, and you need eggs, and we need powdered sugar, and we need some sweet coconut flakes, and we need some white and cocoa chocolate chips, and we need cream cheese, and we need butter, unsalted butter, and we need some pecans. Take one mixing bowl. Here I am using IKEA's mixing bowl with spill proof cover. It works very good. I bought it long time back. It is just like $10. Now I am going to use this. You can use any kind of mixing bowl. Here I am following packet instructions. So I am using like 1 1/3 cup of water, and next I am using 3 room temperature eggs. So now I am adding half a cup of vegetable oil. You should choose non-flavored oil. Now cover it with and blend it with the electric blender. So you can use normal whisk and normal mixing bowl. Since I do have at home, I am using it. You don't need to use the electrical blender or with cover mixing bowl. So it won't be any messy. That's the reason I am using this mixing bowl. Now start adding chocolate cake mix slowly. Don't dump all together. Just you have to add while going little by little, and you have to blend with mixer. So basically you can use any kind of cake mix available at stores like vanilla, and so many other flavors are available, right? But here we are making earthquake cake. That's the reason we are using that color of chocolate cake. German chocolate mix where you can use, or any kind of chocolate mix you can use. Now we need to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius. Now our cake batter is ready, so just keep it aside, and now we will prepare the next step. Take the pan and just apply some butter to the base. You can see on the video. So now I am using some sweetened coconut flakes. First use sweetened coconut flakes, and on top of that I am using some crushed pecans, and again I am topping with sweetened coconut flakes. So now pour the batter on top of the coconut flakes, and we will keep this pan aside, and we will prepare the next step. For the topping we are going to prepare using cream cheese. Take cream cheese like half a can of cream cheese, and half a cup of melted butter, unsalted melted butter. So I am adding 1 cup of powdered sugar. You can use 2 cups if you like more sweetness. So now we have to mix with blender all together. So now our topping is ready for our earthquake cake. So this is the consistency, should be like this. Now take one spatula or ice cream scoop and start adding all the cheese cream mix on top of the chocolate mix. So basically you can melt all the ingredients together, and you can just mix it like you can mix it all together as well. You don't need to like you don't need to scoop like this, I mean to say. So here I'm using chocolate chips, like I didn't find white chocolate chips, so I'm using cocoa chocolate chips, and again I'm topping with sweetened coconut flakes on top of that. Now take one toothpick and start making designs the way how you like it. You can make however you want. Now toss it in a oven and just bake it for 45 minutes. Now the cake is ready, let it cool down to the room temperature. So now it's time to serve. You can serve this cake according to your favorite syrups, or even with whipped cream, anything, whatever you like it, you can top it. Here I use like chocolate syrup and more sweetened coconut flakes on top of that. This cake tastes like really heavenly delicious. You really got to try it. If you try it, let me know in my comments box. I really love it. The texture of this cake won't be like regular normal cakes because of this cream cheese. So the inside stuffing of cream cheese mix makes the cake like little cloudy and clumsy. So but the taste is really awesome. Try it and let me know how do you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos, and don't forget to like the video. Share with your family and friends. I will see you next time. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.